Claws crash, fur flies, and the forest explodes with fury as the sloth bear and tiger hurl themselves into a violent struggle. The tiger striking first with the force of a born ruler. Its dominance unmistakable as it drives the sloth bear to the ground. The sloth bear does not simply surrender when the tiger's supremacy closes in. Instead, it uses its claws to dribble rapid strikes. Yet the royal beast punishes with a cruel bite. The creature of a fierce temper quickly slams the tiger to the ground. Yet no matter how fiercely it fights, the tiger remains the far stronger force in this clash, whose presence alone defines the battlefield. In a sudden twist, another sloth bear bursts from the dusk and charges straight into the clash. The balance of power tilts dangerously against the tiger. For a lone sloth bear is an opponent the tiger can surely defeat. But two attacking at once make even this glorious hunter fight for every breath. As the dust thickens, swirling into the air as the three beasts collide in a storm of fury, the battle becomes a raw reminder that dominance is never guaranteed, only earned. Sensing the odds tipping against it, the tiger turns to retreat. But the bears close in, refusing to grant it an escape. Sloth bears should not be underestimated. The tiger finds itself locked in a punishing battle of 2 against 1. It is not fair, but fairness has no place in the wild. Its power begins to buckle under the relentless assault. For the sloth bears are not simply attacking, they are unleashing their fury with unrestrained rage. Yet even on the ground, it lashes out with its claws, reaching blindly but fiercely to strike back. Its roars turn into broken sounds under the constant barrage. Exhausted, it could not rise, yet it still roars and flings its claws in desperate defiance. It tries to flee again, but the bears overtake it, intensifying their assault now that the tiger is injured, exhausted, and thrown into sudden panic. With every fall and every surge of pain, the tiger forces itself up again, driven by a fading but unbroken instinct to defend itself. As the tiger falls paralyzed, the bears leave. This clash ignited not from hunger, but from a primal need to assert dominance. In the wild, numbers and strength can tip the scales. 2 sloth bears united can overwhelm even a ruler of these lands. In the end, the tiger trembles as its soul slips from its body, a fading echo of the power it once commanded.